Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we use keep changes or keep all in the Microsoft Excel where we have to import a picture and remove the background. So how to we use this? For that, you just have to select the picture and then you have to click on this format, which is a picture tool, and followed by remove background. So just after clicking, you have to crop and select the area which you wanna edit, and then you have to mark the areas which you wanna keep. So I will select this one. After selecting the area, here is an option which is keep changes. When you keep your cursor over there, then it shows close background removal and keep changes, close background removal and keep all changes. So it's the same depending upon the Excel version. So this is the topic which we are talking about, keep changes. So after doing all these things, you just have to click keep changes. So as you can see, things are changed, the background is removed, and now your picture is completely background removal. So now what you can do is you can edit whatever you want related to this picture, or you can add the effect. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.